Tortillas.
How do you say this again? Molcajete. Molcajete. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm on location at Victory Sports Complex, okay? And I got a, let me make sure I say this right, molcajete, okay? We got some rice and beans. We got some shells here. We got some water, agua. And then, hi.
Hi. Oh, sorry.
Oh no, you're good.
It just looks so pretty.
It does look so
like,
pretty. It looks so good. Oh my
Actually,
gosh.
oh yeah, I want to do that too. You mind if I take a picture?
Oh no,
real
you're
quick?
good. You're good.
I've been telling my friends.
I ain't never had one of these.
Let's say grace. Amen. Y'all, I know I've been missing, right? But this was so worth it. Do you see this? Oh my God, like, I don't even know what's really in here. I know we got like some fajitas. So yeah, we are gonna dig in. So it's steak in here, chicken. I think it's some shrimp in here. So, oh yes, oh my God. Do you see this shrimp? Oh my goodness, I don't even want, let me taste it just by itself. You know I love seafood. Mmm. Good. Oh, I've been waiting on this all day long. I'm gonna just pick this up with my hands. What's this? Cactus? How do you eat this? You just eat it plain or put it in the taco?
Nopales.
What is it?
Nopales.
Nopales. I feel like this is my birthday. I like to just put everything on here. What's that for? Okay, thank you. Okay, cool. Take the first bite. Oh yeah. That's good. I love these onions. Ooh, whatever. I don't really know what exactly. Forget it. I don't even know exactly what these are called. So good. Yeah. Definitely make sure y'all check them out. And just pick it up like that. Oh no! I don't even know what to say. It's so good. You want some of this? No, man. You ain't getting none of this.
The onions is called cebollita.
Cebollita. I can't even talk, y'all. I'm sorry. This is so good. I wouldn't even tell y'all a story. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I'm just gonna, ooh. Y'all see that steam? Oh my God. So bomb. Mm-hmm. You know what? Gosh. Mm. Dang, that was hot. This is a, ooh, ooh, ooh. That was hot. This is a cactus. I never had this before. It has a distinctive taste. Pretty good. Is this pico de gallo? This is really good. Mmm. Ooh, this is hot. This is so fresh. Y'all see that steam coming out? I don't know if you can see it or not. But this is so good. Oh my gosh. I know I'm not talking that much. I'm sorry. It just tastes so good. You know what I'm saying? It tastes so good. Whew. Ooh, it's hot. I don't know if y'all like onions. I love them. Ooh, it's hot. Mm-hmm. I swear. I just about forgot that I was filming. Like, seriously. I was in my own little, I don't know where I was just at right now. I forgot all about y'all. That's how good this food is. Ooh. Mm. Mm. This is so filling. Oh my gosh. Mm-hmm. Mm. Man, Maybe we could talk next time. I don't know. Whew. This is so good. I don't even know what I want to eat next. Whew. This is hot. My dad over there talking about something. She ain't finna eat all that. I don't think I am, but it's so good. I'm telling you. Y'all need to come and get. You talking about something? Whatever I don't finish, she gonna finish. Please. You ain't getting this stuff. Better order your own food. This is a lot of food. This is enough food for like 3 or 4 people. Seriously, like, this is a lot. What are you talking about? You talking about me? I cannot finish this. All right, he right, I can't. It's so much food. I'm so full. This was more like a ASMR because I ain't saying nothing. Oh well. I love that rice. That rice is so freaking, oh, it's so good. This is so good. I'm not even lying. It's good for real. Ooh. I did. I ate a lot. It was a lot in here.
You ate some of the Impalas?
What's that?
The cactus.
Oh yeah. I ate some of this.
You don't remember you used to bring it in burritos?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, when you get them.
That's good.
A lot of health benefits. Cactus.
To be honest, I ain't hardly said that. You know, at one point I forgot I was recording. I said it to myself, oh my God, I forgot I was recording, y'all. I literally ain't said nothing because I've been eating the whole time. I think that's it for me. What you think?
Hey, don't ask me. Eat some more of one of them cebollicitas.
Y'all need to get y'all some cebollicitas. If you like onion. I know it looked like I didn't even eat that much, but I really did. It's just that much food. This thing is deep. And then look, it's still steam coming up out of here, from up under here. It is still piping hot. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is still piping hot. That's it for me, y'all. That was a lot of food. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'm out. I gotta tap out. This is enough for like 3 or 4 people. Easy. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I appreciate all the support. And I'm gonna see you in another video.